Hello, such a pleasure having you guys with us today.
Thank you. Pleasure being here.
Thank you. Your mics are placed over there.
Thank you. Hi, hello everybody.
Hello, hi.
All right. So we're really happy that you guys are here. And now that we've heard all about Booking.com's connected trip vision as a part of travel experience, like I told Santosh already, this sounds so amazing to have seamless travel, stress-free travel happening for all of us. But today we are actually going to talk about the experience of blending food and travel together.
That's why we're here.
Yes, yes, exactly. So, Santosh, can you share how Booking.com is making travel experiences memorable for its customers?
Yeah, so one of the many different ways that we do it is, I'll probably touch on the attractions piece, right? When we think about attractions today, every Indian, right, today is talking about experiences when they travel. There was a recent survey that said that especially the Gen Z and the millennial crowd today, 75% of them are saying they would like to spend their money on travel rather than things, right? Which is a great trend, right?
Ours
We
is
wanna move
99%.
away- We want to move away from the materialistic world, right? So, talking about experiences, India has so much to offer today, right? Across the length and breadth of India. So we want to be able to showcase the best of India to all of our travelers in India and from across the world. So therefore, the length and breadth of accommodations and experiences that we have,
Right.
Talking about experiences, we've got things like master classes, in cooking master classes, we've got hiking, we've got city tours.
Nice. Bar hopping, I've heard of.
Bar hopping, you name it, we have it.
That sounds so exciting.
7,000 plus experiences.
Woo. One of the things I'm definitely looking forward to is one of the street food trips that they have. So you can go and visit all of the local street food places in a city and eat to your heart's content. And I think we're going to do that today as well.
I can
I've
see
started.
that. He's already started. He just offered me a kakadi.
Okay, well, thank you so much for sharing these insights with us, Santosh. Sonakshi and Zaheer, now I've got questions for you. When you think of travel, what kind of experiences are you looking for? I'll start with you, Sonakshi.
We love traveling. I think Santosh was very, very correct when he said that, today most people really want to bank on experiences more than
Right.
anything else. And I think no better way to experience life than travel.
True.
So for us, it's very important that wherever we go, we kind of learn, we see the local experiences, we have them, and the food, of course, is also a very, very integral part because I thought I was a foodie, but then I married someone who is an even bigger foodie. And I think the way we are very good travel buddies as well.
Okay,
So
perfect.
wherever we go, it ends up being a great experience. So yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So you'll complement each other.
Yeah, we do. So
Clearly.
it's yeah.
As
So it's a mix of adventure and relaxation.
Aha!
Jodi is fantastic. And even for me, when I travel, I like to live like a local there. So I
Okay.
like to have the local cuisine. I like to do stuff that the locals would do. So even
Nice.
my way of commuting would be the way the locals there commute.
Oh,
So,
that's
yeah, so-
interesting. And do you join in or are you like...
I do actually because
Yeah.
Yeah, you like that?
wherever I go, I love to just walk because I don't get to walk that much
Correct.
over here.
Yep.
So when I'm outside where it's a bit more freer for me, I just end up walking, and that way you can see so many more places and
That's
just discover the place on your own, stumble upon something that you probably thought would never be there.
Right.
So it's a lot of fun just kind of walking and being one with the place you're in.
Absolutely. What about you?
I tend to usually go with the flow because of my work. I travel a lot, right? And usually work trips are very, very hectic. Except for this one, I have to say this is very unlike a business trip for me. But usually when I travel with my family, I'm just doing what my wife wants to do and what my 7-year-old wants to do. So I'm just following them. So
That's sweet.
they do all the bookings.
Oh,
So
wonderful.
Which
And
is
I
easy.
wonder where they do all the
I was
bookings.
just going to say Sikho, Sikho, and then he finished the sentence and I was like, nahi, wo mat Sikho.
So also wanted to ask, like a little birdie did mention that the two of you like to go to like local places to eat food when you all are traveling and just like indulge in the local cuisine and things like that. Is that true or is it just a rumor?
Yeah, absolutely.
very,
Otherwise,
very
what's the
true.
point of going there when you can't get a taste of the local
Food
food
and-
and
You know,
stuff?
in fact, recently we went to New York, and a couple of friends and family that we met there were like, you know, we'll take you to this restaurant and that restaurant, and we'll have. And I love Japanese, but even then they were like, I was like, I don't want to eat Japanese food in New York because I'd rather eat the local street food that you have there. Because any restaurant you enter, you feel like it could have been anywhere in the world.
True.
So the fun of just standing on the road and eating the local cuisine on the carts is, I think, is the best thing.
Right. What did you enjoy eating the most over there?
The
I have to
rice, the mushroom on rice, I love.
ask. And you, Sonakshi? I know you all put up a lot of stories
Yeah.
with food, so.
So one really cool and cute place we ended up discovering on our last trip was like this museum of ice cream.
That was my favorite as well.
Oh my God.
Copy now.
That was my favorite.
So it was really fun. It was a new experience. It was a fun experience, and I really enjoyed having. We had what was that first ice cream they gave us? Cream cheese ice cream, and it was one of the best things I've ever eaten. So yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
It sounds so odd, but oh my God, it was so good.
Okay, thank you for this tip. I think we all know what experience we definitely want to have when we're going west. So, now that we know that both of you love traveling, that you both love food, now we can venture a little bit into the whole experience of traveling for food. So, shall we proceed behind the counter?
Yeah.
We have something very
We will
exciting prepared.
Proceed with
What
caution.
am I? Hey, see, I'm cooking sushi. They knew.
And
Come, Santosh.
मैंने जो भी बनाया और वो जिसने भी खाया मैं उसकी responsibility नहीं लेती हूँ. Okay?
So I'm here not to cook. I'm here to watch Sona cook. It is. Once I was really sick one day, and Sona so sweetly made something for me to feel better.
What was
Warm
that?
water.
Warm water?
Yeah. She made it so. There was so much love in that.
Oh.
I felt so much better.
You felt better, na? Bas, that's all that matters.
Is that the extent of your cooking?
That pretty much is.
Really? Awesome.
I couldn't even heat the water properly. I don't know how I messed that up.
Are you a good cook though? Or do
Yeah,
you cook at all?
I am.
You
I
are?
make fantastic dal makhani. Can't you lie?
I was waiting to see where this is headed.
I was going to be like, should I be invited
हाँ,
to
ये
sample this
ये
kind?
बनाता है, बेवकूफ बनाता है.
But I have tried it once, and I couldn't eat the food after that because I was like, there's so much of energy and so much of time that goes into making something. And I was like, ऐसे 2 मिनट में खा लूँ मैं. खत्म हो गया. I'd made dal makhani only actually. My mother was on the phone and helped me. But when I ate it, I was like, खत्म. It took me 1 hour to make this, so I stopped cooking.
So hats off to them.
Makes sense.
We
Oh, yes.
really appreciate you for the great food that you cook and feed us. And it's gone in like 10 seconds.
So this is going to be a masterclass similar to an
Okay.
experience that you can have on booking.com. And yeah, I would also love to hear what your favorite cuisine is.
My gloves. So I'm more of a local cuisine person. So Indian food is my favorite kind of food. And what food is and me have a very emotional connection. So I usually
Absolutely.
connect my memories with food. So when I was growing up, I used to travel a lot, and every holiday we used to take off and go to my grandmother who lived in Patna. And she used to feed us the best Bihari food.
Oh, wow.
Litti choka, sattu ke parathe, and
Yum.
like, just the stuff that was very, 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 very local and very.
And made with love.
Yeah, and made
Nani's
with
heart.
lots of love. Yeah, dadis, yeah.
Daddy, sorry, yeah.
So that is what I remember.
Lovely.
And I really crave for a lot.
All right.
So I think we have the
That's
same
an
recipe
emotional
here today, right?
connect.
The sattu ka paratha.
Oh, is that what you're making today? Sattu ka paratha?
Looks like it.
Because she knows all the ingredients.
Looks like it. आप मदद करेंगे ना मेरी? हाँ? देखो पहली बार कुछ बना रही हूँ लाइफ में.
और खाना मुझे भाई.
तो प्रेशर मुझ पे नहीं आप पे है. आप सिखाएंगे. हाँ? Okay, amazing.
Zaheer, what about you? What is your favorite cuisine?
So mine is Japanese
Okay.
because I think it's over the years it's been instilled in my brain that it's a healthier option. So you get tasty food, but it's very high in protein. So I like to stick to my
High
sushi and
protein.
sashimi and my high
However,
protein.
sattu is also high in protein.
No, I love Indian food. And on every holiday, we need one Indian meal, Indian food, no matter where we are in the world.
Oh,
I remember
okay.
this one time, we were in London, and we decided that we want to have Indian food. And I made Sona wait for the whole night, and I said, tomorrow I'll take you to for the Indian food.
Huh.
And we took a train 2 hours to Brighton, because there's this beautiful, like, very amazing place. I think it's called India Summer or something like that.
Okay.
Indian
It's
summer.
Indian summer. It's got the best thalis. So
Yeah.
I've taken a 2-hour journey, gone there, had the thali and come back, because that was our craving for good Indian food.
And that was by far one of the best thalis I've ever eaten.
Oh,
it was
wow.
that good. Yeah.
And Brighton so lovely by the sea.
Yeah.
So super, super. Yes, exactly. So what are you going to be making? We know she's making sattu ka paratha.
I don't know actually, sir. हम क्या बना रहे? हम क्या बनेंगे?
Ooh, avocado sushi.
Avocado sushi. Wow.
Good fats.
This apron I'm wearing so that she doesn't drop on me.
You know,
The time we're eating together, she spilled food on me.
you know,
Guys, if you're having a food fight, please warn me. I will
Yeah,
just
yeah.
hide.
Don't worry, we won't do that. But you know who's going to be most happy today? My mother.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, we've got lots of pictures happening. Everybody, please tag the family.
पर करना चाहूंगी. कौन सा brave इंसान है यहाँ पर? बड़ा अच्छा है. अच्छा है ना? कहा ना?
कितने डरे हो?
Good ना? तो जोर से बोल ना. हाँ, thank you. खाओ. कितने गंदे पार्टी बदलू हो ना तुम लोग. ये
एक नंबर.
शादी हो जाएगी. ये खा के खा ले फिर. जल्दी खा ले. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Big round of applause for Chef Sonakshi. First time in her life she has attempted to cook and she's done a fab job. Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. And I want to thank Booking.com for putting this together. Otherwise, I don't know when I would have done it. So,
Making the impossible
yeah.
possible.
And you know, I did really enjoy.
Have we sparked something new in the
You
Sonakshi Zaheer
have.
household?
Possibly, yeah. Possibly. Yeah.
Have you ever done a trip where it's just been about food? So you've planned the whole trip based on maybe local restaurants, different kinds of cuisine that you want to try in a particular place. Have you ever done that?
You know, wherever we go, that food does automatically become about, that trip automatically becomes about food.
Food.
But particularly, no. When we go, we want to try everything.
Right.
Yeah. So, but maybe we should plan like a food trip.
Yeah, our holidays are very balanced.
Okay.
So food is obviously a very big part of it.
Right.
But if you don't remember, but we recently did a trip which is all about food, because we just finished shooting a film.
Okay.
And we did a 4-day holiday
Okay.
where we were it's about cheat meals. So
Okay.
obviously it became only about food. And that's what we've been doing.
Fabulous. Now you guys can get your gloves off. And I would request... No. Photo op not right now. We have a rapid fire round. First, it's going to be fun. Are you ready? Yeah. You got to get your gloves off first. With the gloves? The gloves are messy, yeah. The apron is on, don't worry. That's okay, you're done with cooking. Now it can have the issues it needs to. All right, so let's all come up front. He's loving the cucumbers. That's all he's been gorging on. Mike.
Yes.
And your mic. Come, we can all stand here. Come, Santosh. So, because you are.
For the vibe.
Yeah.
Vibe.
So, yeah, Santosh, maybe you can come and stand here.
Okay.
Are you guys ready for the rapid fire round? Okay, chalo. One destination जहाँ पे आप बार-बार जाना चाहोगे.
Goa.
Kerala.
Okay. हमारे सुंदर इंडिया में आपको कौन सी जगह जाना है हॉलिडे पे जहाँ पे आप नहीं गए हो?
Kashmir.
I would want to go to Ranthambore.
Ranthambore. Beautiful places both. 5 must-haves while traveling.
Your wife? Your wife.
Very important.
Yes, you got it. What else?
बस मेरे लिए तो वही काफी है.
हम एक दूसरे
My
के साथ
husband, yeah.
So no wallet, no money.
पैसे बीवी और पैसे.
But if you've planned everything on booking.com, then I guess you don't even really need the wallet.
And a good camera to capture that.
Sorted.
That's true. That's true.
Zaheer is actually my booking.com because he sorts everything for me. So
Oh, lovely.
I'm sorted.
And not because we're here, I actually use booking.com.
Me too. Santosh, you?
Thank you.
What about you?
What do I
Your
carry?
5 travel essentials, yeah.
Look, I need my phone. I'd like to say my wife as well. There's a lot of pressure.
Your daughter.
My son.
Son.
Yes, and
That's 3.
I just need a nice pillow. You know, I find that I'm in different beds so often.
Right.
And the pillow is very important for me, right? So the pillow. And I wish I could carry that pillow around everywhere, but it's not possible. And then what else? Just my my pajamas, right?
That's interesting.
Yeah,
Essential. Yeah.
essential.
Really?
I just want
He's
to
doing
lounge.
room service. He's not going out and out say sneakers. Walk.
You know, actually, we did a survey on Indians, how Indians travel, right? We put out a report, and Indians love food, and they want room service wherever they go. They want room service. They want a
Wow.
24-hour coffee shop, much more than any other nationality. And also because we have all these dietary preferences, right? Jain food, veg food,
Correct.
this, that. So Indians tend to be very demanding, and they plan their entire itineraries around food sometimes.
And I also think, like you said before, Sonakshi, that food is an emotion.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And we definitely need that 24-hour room service because Sona wakes up at 3 o'clock in the morning, studies hungry. So then I'm suddenly like a lavaris on the roads of somewhere looking for कोई खाना दे दो यार. मेरी बीवी को भूख लगी है.
All right.
True story.
Next question. This rapid fire has just like become one
Rapid.
Not rapid
lovely
anymore.
kahan.
Let's do rapid.
Okay, let's go fast now. Hotel room or tree-top house for your stay?
Tree top house.
Definitely treetop house. I would love to stay in one.
I thought we'll say in sync.
Santosh.
I knew that would be your answer.
I would also say treetop house.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Most memorable experience related to food during your travels. An experience related to food.
I was shooting in Budapest and I was there for 50 days. And I think I sent my assistant Ganga to every Indian restaurant in the vicinity. And I think he found some 8-10 Indian restaurants. So every day my food used to Indian food used to come from a different Indian restaurant. So that's a very memorable food experience for me. Being in Budapest for
Right.
50 days, I was on Indian food.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's nice to know that they have
Yeah.
so many Indian restaurants as
yeah,
well.
they do.
What about
my,
you?
My most interesting food story is we were doing a film called Double XL, and I was told, okay, you have to become very thin. And her and Huma were told, you have to put on 15 kilos.
Oh, wow.
So the best, most interesting experience was that we were on a table, and they were just thusoing burgers and pizza and everything. And I was told, you can't touch it. So the most interesting experience is when I couldn't eat any food, and I could only see her eat for 2 months. this has gone on.
Oh,
उसका हाथ आता था
मुझे काम करना है.
and what about you, Santosh?
So mine is from a long time ago. I was in Brazil. This is pre-smartphone era. I was traveling with a friend of mine, and I'm vegetarian. Okay, so we go to the nearest restaurant. We've got off a 16-hour-long flight from Dubai all the way to Rio, and then we get off and we're like, let's just find the nearest restaurant, right? We go in, and my friend eats everything, so it wasn't a problem for him. But I'm like trying to talk to the waitress who only spoke Portuguese, and I'm trying to tell her I want something vegetarian, right? So she's not understanding a word of what I'm saying. And then I start making noises. So I start saying, "Pak, pak, 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 ow." No, I don't want it. And she's like, she gives me the thumbs up. She's like, yes, I have understood. I'm going to go get you something. Then she comes back with bruschetta with salami on it.
Oh.
So then I just found the nearest McDonald's after that. So
Always, whenever in doubt, head to McDonald's. Whenever you're broke, head to McDonald's. Okay. Favorite on-set travel memory?
double XL only, yeah.
We've done a whole film about food, guys.
It was the
That's how much we love
funnest
food.
experience, the funnest shoot. It was just a group of friends who decided to make a film together. The lead heroines didn't need to worry about their weight and they could just eat whatever they want. So we really had the best experience doing that film. And of course, we had Zaheer, Mahat, there was Mudassar was there was Satram, our director, and like it was just one big group.
Nice.
And we ended up making a film in the
Where
middle.
only
So
one
it was
person couldn't eat. 6 of them are tussoing in front of me.
How sad. So, last question now. आपके bucket list पे अगला destination कौन सा है?
So we made a deal
Okay.
that we will not travel to a place that we've already been before.
Okay.
So we try our best that we both have not been there.
Huh.
But we now have made a conscious decision not to repeat places. So we are hoping in the next 5 years to cover a lot of India because we've all been to the cities
few
but not
places,
together.
right.
So we're trying to map and we bought this whole map and we're going to mark it on that all the cities that we've been to. And it's a world map actually. But,
That's so cute.
और गए भी है तो it's always been like कि shoot के लिए वहाँ पे पहुँच गए and you know we've not been able to
हाँ.
go and explore the place. So
Right.
ये हमारा plan है कि हम ऐसी जगह पर जाएं जहाँ पर हम पहले नहीं गए.
All right. And what about you? I'm sure you've traveled so much. There's not
I
much
have
left.
no, but you know, I think the Northeast for me.
Yeah? Oh, that's on my list
You know, I
as
really
well,
want to go
for
to
sure.
Kaziranga and you know also probably a cruise on the Brahmaputra.
Oh, that would be
That's-
amazing.
That's
I want to go to
Up
Leh
there.
Ladakh also. I've never been.
It's stunning.
Nah, it's
oh my
so I
God.
know.
For me, it's one of the most beautiful places on earth. Like I've traveled
Pictures,
so
I
much,
really
but
wanna
nothing
go.
like it. Oh, really? Oh, wow. That must be super memorable for you as well. So, okay, this will really be the last question. As travelers, who's the stress bunny and who's the cool cat?
I'm the cool cat.
So you reach the airport like 10 minutes before the flight, fully
No,
relaxed.
I'm always
do you
on
wanna
time.
be-
I'm very punctual. That's where I keep him in check because
So there's this meme that's come out recently ना कि husband and wife चल रहे हैं और husband क्या सोच रहा है और बीवी क्या सोच रही है. तो husband ऐसा चल रहा है कि हमको flight 2 घंटे में हमको यहाँ पहुँचना है, हमको check in करेंगे तो इतना टाइम लगेगा, हमको security check में इतना टाइम लगेगा, इसको इतने जूते निकालने में 15-20 मिनट तो लगेंगे, फिर वो पूरी जिगली पल्ली, तो फिर मैं आगे बढ़ा और ये बैठे हम क्या खाना खाएंगे? मैं रास्ते में सिक्योरिटी के बाद एक बर्गर पिकअप कर लूँगा. So this is exactly us. Where
That sounds so
when
fun.
we say we're going here for this holiday, it's like literally she said that and left the room and then I'm just sitting.
I've checked out. My brain is also on holiday. Now you handle.
I really want her to see the stuff and the attraction that she also likes. So I'm like, baby, you like this? Yeah, it's okay. Baby, you like this? Okay. And I'll always be the first one.
What about you?
I'm more of the stress buster.
Okay.
Is that what you said? The term?
Stress bunny.
Stress bunny. Okay, sure. And then my wife is the cool cat.
Ah, okay, cool. Thank you guys so
Thank
much.
you very much,
Thank you,
Ramona.
thank you.
Let's have that photo op now and make everybody happy. Just request everyone to be calm.
Oh, I'm extremely happy. This is the first time I've actually attempted to cook something, and it was in front of so many people. I was under a lot of pressure, but I think I did quite well. The happiest person today will be my mum, firstly, because she's a fantastic cook. और उन्हें लगा कि मेरी बेटी भी मेरी तरह बहुत अच्छी शेफ़ बनेगी, बट वो हुआ नहीं. फिर उन्हें लगा कि मेरी शादी हो जाएगी तब मैं अच्छी शेफ़ बनूंगी. शी स्टिल वेटिंग.
शायद दामाद ऐसा मिले जिसको कुकिंग आती है. दामाद भी.
Yeah. So I think I enjoyed myself. तो शायद आगे जाकर भी I would love to learn a lot more cooking.
It was fantastic. I enjoyed it. I actually will do this more often. These classes.
Next question. Either be. Yeah.
अच्छा.
Hi Sonakshi, hi Zaheer. Like there is a lots of women ऐसा होता है कि कभी traveling लोग करते हैं, so it's help in like depression and anxiety को remove करने में help करता है. And we have a lot of story that it's like it led to suicide and all these things. So what I take on does traveling help all these things? It is a good aspect which help.
No, my friend, therapy helps in all these things. And traveling is in general, I feel food for the soul. But I think there are professional people who can help you with the rest of what you're asking about. Yeah.
It can be a small part, I guess,
Yeah.
to free your mind from everything that's going on over here, just to cut off and go somewhere. In that way, if you're asking, then yeah, I guess.
Next question.
Slightly.
Sona, now since you've learned cooking, so the best way to
Learned.
Learned
Learned cooking.
so this is the best way to get into the heart of Zaheer.
I'm already
और
in
अंदर
his
कितना
heart.
घुसेगी?
अब और क्या बना के खिलाओगे?
I think it's a start. जैसा कि
Yeah.
मैंने कहा, आज शुरुआत हुई मेरी कुकिंग जर्नी की, और आगे जाकर भी मैं बनाना चाहूँगी बहुत कुछ. तो I think I should start with his favorite foods. Yeah, something simple but.
Bullseye. She's actually done it.
Yeah,
Jokes aside,
I actually
वो
made something
पानी
for
का
him.
joke था, but she
हाँ.
actually made something very sweetly for me. It was a thing called bullseye. It's bread with anda and all that. It's superb.
Yeah.
Next question.
सोनाक्षी, आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, जैसे कि आपने बोला पहली बार कुक कर रही हो, बट मैं जानना चाहूँगी शादी के बाद क्या आपने फैमिली ससुराल वालों को बना के खिलाया जो कि मीठा होता है, तो कुछ शेयर करना, क्योंकि ऑडियंस को नहीं अब तक कोई जानकारी है कि क्या आपने पहली बार बना के खिलाया आफ्टर मैरिज.
शादी में इतनी सारी मिठाई मिली हमें, तो मैं एक ट्रे में सजाकर उनके सामने पहुंच गई. लो मुंह मीठा करो. बट देर ऑल्सो लवली एंड आज के दिन अच्छी बात ये होती कि लड़कियों पर उतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं होता. सब जानते हैं कि वुमेन आर इंडिपेंडेंट, दे हैव देयर वर्क लाइफ, दे हैव देयर होम लाइफ्स एज वेल, और इंटरेस्ट की भी बात होती है. तो आई एम ट्रूली ब्लेस्ड कि मुझ पर वो प्रेशर नहीं है. तो इवन इफ आई वांट टू गो अहेड एंड डू इट, इट विल बी बिकॉज आई वांट टू डू इट.
But I want to cook for her parents.
हम दोनों अपने अपनी पैकिंग करते हैं. हाँ ना, वो अपना बैग पैक करेगा, मैं अपना करूँगी.
But in all honesty, मैं इसका बहुत एडवाइस देता हूँ. ये लूँ नहीं लूँ.
हाँ.
She helps me a lot.
Like we have seen that you have released a short video.
Yeah.
So what kind of fears you have managed to conquer in your adventurous trip so far?
Oh, he is extremely adventurous. I am also adventurous, but थोड़ा हद में. मतलब मैं ऐसे पागलपंती वाली चीज़ें नहीं करूँगी, बट उसको बड़ा मज़ा आता है. तो he took me just before that ride. He took me for this very scary roller coaster, which was like a U-pin. मतलब एकदम vertical drop था उसका. तो मैं पहले तो बोल रही थी उसको, नहीं मुझे नहीं जाना, मैं देखूंगी, यू गो. तो मैं अकेले कैसे जाऊँ एंड ऑल. सो somehow he convinced me to go on that, and उस पर बैठकर मेरे सारे fears उड़ गए, चले गए, and that's when we decided to go on the slingshot. But बहुत मजा आया. I think we really enjoy spending time with each other and trying out these crazy things.
और सोना आज सबके सामने वादा कर रही है
नहीं.
कि December 31st से पहले सोना एक प्लेन से जंप मारने वाली है. Okay? सोना is going to skydive before 31st December.
He wants me to go
अपने
skydiving.
दिल पे हाथ रखकर ये वादा कर.
नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं कह रही, मैं सोचूंगी.
बंजी जंपिंग तो डेफिनेटली.
इस समय बहुत अलग माहौल बना हुआ है.
नहीं, लास्ट क्वेश्चन हो गया गाइस. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, कम ऑन गाइस.
वो नेहा
हो गया गाइस. कम ऑन.
नहीं, वो मैं ऑलरेडी कर चुकी हूँ. Yeah.
Thank you guys. Thank you everyone.
Thank you very much.
Thank you everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.